Hello students, good morning to all of you and welcome to math class. We were discussing about trigonometry. In that, what is trigonometry? I gave definition. Okay, trigonometry is a study of mathematics which deals with the three angles measures, geometrical figure. Three angles measure, geometrical figure. That is nothing but a triangle. Okay, trigonometry was derived from the Greek words tri means three, gonia means angles, metron means measures. Three angle measures. Okay. Now, in this trigonometry was developed by a mathematician Hipparchus. Hipparchus was the mathematician who established the relationship between sides and angles of a triangle in a right angle triangle. Okay. Now, after the Greeks development, this was developed by Indians. Greeks used in trigonometry a chord of a circle, whereas Indians replaced this chord with a half chord, means semi-chord. Okay. Now, after that, trigonometric ratios. How many standard ratios are there? 3 standard, 3 reciprocal. Total 6 ratios. Those are the trigonometric functions we call. We call them as a trigonometric functions. Okay. What are those 6 trigonometric functions? Sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, cotangent. These are the 6 trigonometric functions. Sine, cos, tan are the 3 standard. Cosecant, secant and cotangent are the reciprocals of those 3. Okay. Now, sine, cos, tan are the 3 standard trigonometric functions if they are combined, connected with an angle. Then only, or else they are just words. Sine is a word, cos is a word, tan is a word, unless you include an angle with them. Means sine theta, now it is a trigonometric function. Cos theta, now it is a trigonometric function. Tan theta, trigonometric function. Just sine, cos, tan are only words. Okay, sine theta is sine theta is a product of sine and theta? This question also I raised in this previous discussion. Sine theta is not the product of sine and theta. Okay. Now, what is theta? Theta is the angle, measurement of the angle. The measurements of the angle in trigonometry are 3 types we do. Okay, one is a degree system, centesimal system, that is a grading system, grade system, and the third one is a circular system, that is a radian system. Now, in this topic we discuss about only degree system. Based on the degree system, we will discuss, we will go through with this total topic. Okay, trigonometry. Next, in this few examples also I discussed. Sin theta, what is the definition? Sin theta is the ratio of the opposite side to the hypotenuse of that particular angle theta. Sin theta is the ratio of the opposite side to the hypotenuse of that angle theta. Okay, opposite side by hypotenuse. Next one is a cos theta. Cos theta is the ratio of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse of an angle. Tan theta. Tan theta is the ratio of the opposite side to the adjacent side. Opposite side to the adjacent side. And sine reciprocal is a cosecant. Cosecant theta is 1 by sine. That is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. And cos theta is the reciprocal. Reciprocal of cos theta is a secant theta. That is a hypotenuse by adjacent side. And tan theta reciprocal of cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. That is adjacent side to the opposite side. Tan also the ratio of the sine and cos. Based on this one, I discussed a few problems also. Sin theta and cos theta always, the values of the sine and cos are always less than 1. Why? Because sin theta and cos theta is the ratios of the opposite side to the hypotenuse and adjacent side to the hypotenuse. Means in these ratios, sin and cos denominators are hypotenuse. In a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the longest side. Hypotenuse is the longest side. That means this cos and sine will be proper fractions will get. Those values are always less than 1. Those values are always less than 1. Okay. Next. Now, quickly I move to the exercise 11.1. Here in trigonometry, if cos A is equal to 3 by 5, then find tan A, cosecant A. Cosecant A. C-O-S-E-C means cosecant A. So to find out these ones, still I did not introduce the formulas here. So till that these are all trigonometry I discussed here in right angle triangle. There is no such condition that is only right angle triangle only trigonometry exists. In any triangle we can establish the relation by drawing a perpendicular and altitude. We will get. Here you have a direct problems of right angle triangles only here in your concept. Now given is cos A is equal to 3 by 5. 3 by 5 means obviously A is not a right angle triangle. A is not a right angle. So A vertex is here. Right angle it may be any other. A, B, C, I took. Cos A is adjacent side to the hypotenuse as per the formula. Adjacent side to the hypotenuse. A's adjacent side is what is A's adjacent side? BAB. This is hypotenuse. Right angle opposite is hypotenuse. And adjacent side is AB here. This is 3 and this is 5. These are the ratios. Okay. Ratios. So cos A is equal. That means cos A is equal to AB by AC is equal to 3 by 5. Here AB ratios when you convert into values you need to multiply a constant value. Why we multiply constant value? Because the ratio is the smallest value after reducing the common factor of both the numerator and denominator as well as. Okay, so AB is equal to 3k, some constant k are multiplying, and AC is equal to 5k. AC is equal to 5k. Okay, ratios when you convert into values you need to multiply some constant value, common factor k, 3k by k. Now by using the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. Now AC is equal to root of AB square is 3k whole square plus BC I don't know BC square, but already here AC is there. Just substitute values first. AC is 5k whole square is equal to 3k whole square plus BC square. If I simplify, 25k square minus 9k square, 3k square is a 9k square, set this side, is equal to BC square Now 16k square is equal to BC square. Transfer the square to the side. 16k square is equal to BC under root. Sorry, BC is equal to under root 16k square. Now BC is equal to 16 is a 4 and k square is k. 4k. BC is equal to 4k. Am I clear? BC is equal to 4k. Now BC is equal to 4k now. Now I got all the values of the triangle. So what you require here? First one is a tan A. Tan A is opposite side of A is BC and adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. That is equal to BC by AB. Now tan A is equal to BC value is 4k by AB value is 3k. K cancel, that is equal to 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Next one is cosecant A. Cosecant A is reciprocal of sine. 1 by sine A. That is nothing but sine is opposite side by hypotenuse. Now reciprocally hypotenuse by opposite side. Cosecant A is. Now cosecant A is equal to hypotenuse is AC. AC and its opposite side is BC. Whose opposite side? A angle opposite side. So that is equal to, this is 5k by 4k. K cancel. Cosecant A is equal to 5 by 4. Okay, please write down. Okay. Cos A, sin A, cosecant A, tan A. Got it. Now next question. Next one is if 12 tan A is equal to 5, then find sin A and cos A. 12 tan A is equal to 5, then find sin A and cos A. What they given here? 12 tan A is equal to 5 they given. Is it visible, sir? Everyone? If 12 tan A is equal to 5, then find sin A and cos A. Is it visible to everyone? Now given is 12 tan A is equal to 5. Draw the rough right angle triangle. Obviously A is not a right angle. So A will be here. I am taking B, C, Now 12 tan A, no, tan A is equal to 5 by 12. If I send 12 this side, 5 by 12. Right? Quotient now by 5 by 12. And this is the opposite side to the adjacent side of A. What is opposite side here? Tan A is equal to opposite side is BC by AB is equal to 5 by 12. 5 by 12. Now ratios you are going to convert into values. When you convert into values, you need to multiply some constant value. That is the procedure. Because 4 by 6 is there. This is not final value. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 by 3. What you did here? The common factor 2 I cancelled. So that now BC is equal to 5k and AB is equal to 12k. Some constant value what I cancel, what they cancel I don't know. So I multiply with k constant. Now using the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. What is AC here? We don't know. AC square is equal to AB is 12k whole square. BC is 5k whole square. BC is 5k whole square. Now AC is equal to root of 144k square plus 25k square. Root of 144k square plus 25k square. Now AC is equal to root of 169k square. Now AC is equal to root 13k whole square. Square root cancel. AC is equal to 13k. Now what they have here? The questions are sin A. First question is sin A. Sin A is equal to opposite side to the A by hypotenuse. What is opposite side to the A? BC. And hypotenuse AC. That is sin A is equal to BC value is 5k by AC value is 13k. K cancel. Sin A is equal to 5 by 13. One value I got. The other value is cos A. Cos A is equal to adjacent side to the hypotenuse. What is adjacent side to the A? AB. By A, hypotenuse is AC. Now cos A is equal to adjacent side. What is AB value is 12k. By AC value is 13k. K cancel. Cos A is equal to 12 by 13. Okay, these are the required values. Please write down. Okay, these are all similar model questions from your textual exercise 11.1. In this one, first question, in a right angle triangle ABC, 8 cm, 15 cm, 17 cm are the lengths of AB, BC and CA. respectively find sin A, cos A and tan A. I am not writing textual question because I am explaining textual question only. So in a right angle triangle ABC, in a right angle triangle ABC, I don't know which is a right angle, which is a acute angle. Only right angle triangle they mentioned, but they given the lengths. Generally, what they given here? 8 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 17 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 17 centimeter. In a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is the longest side. The hypotenuse is the longest side. So among these three, 17 is the highest value. So this hypotenuse is 17 centimeter. 17 centimeters. Now, another two are 15 and 8 centimeter. Directly write down here. 15 and 8 centimeter. Write down. After writing these 17, you can write either 15 here and 8 here, 8 here and 15 here. Your wish. 15 here, 8 here, or 15 here and 8 here. You can write as you wish. Only 17 centimeter only you have to write here, because in a right angle triangle, longest side is hypotenuse. So this is the longest side, and the longest side length is 17 centimeter given. Among these one, highest value 17. So that 17 will be the hypotenuse. Other two may be here 15, here 8, or here 15, here 8. Your wish. Now you represent the letters. What they mentioned? AB is 8 centimeter. AB is 8 centimeter. BC is 15 centimeters. BC is 15 centimeter. If I write here the AB and C, AC should be altitude. But what they written here? Yes. Okay. So AB is 15 centimeter, BC is 8 centimeter, and CA is 17 centimeter. AC. First represent the hypotenuse always. AC. Because AC is 15 centimeter now. Either CA or AC. You are wish. Then obviously left over is B. Left over vertex is B. So B is the right angle triangle here. Here B is the right angle triangle. Right angle. B is the right angle and ABC is the right angle triangle. Right angle is at B. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. How do you identify? They did not mention. But according to given measurements, in a right angle triangle they mentioned. So I drawn a right angle triangle. Hypotenuse is the longest side. 17 centimeter is the longest side. So I wrote there. And that respectively words they given. 8, 15 and 17 are AB, BC and CA. AB is 8 centimeters, BC is 15 centimeter and CA is 17 centimeters. So obviously AC will be the hypotenuse. Okay. Now AB is equal to 8 centimeters, BC is equal to 15 centimeters and CA is equal to 17 centimeter. Already they given everything, but indirectly words they given. Now what they ask here? Then find sin A. Sin A means A angle opposite side. BC opposite side to A by hypotenuse. Opposite side to the A angle is BC by AC. That is equal to 15 by 17. I don't get any cancellation, so leave that one. Next, cos A. This is cos A is the ratio of adjacent side to the hypotenuse. Adjacent side to the A is AB and AC is the hypotenuse. That is 8 by 17. 8 by 17. Tan A. Tan A. Tan A is opposite side to A to the adjacent side to the A. Opposite side to A is BC and adjacent side to A is AB. that is equal to 15 by 8. Okay, if you write A here and C here now, again it may change. Letters will change. Okay, letters and if you take A here now, A opposite side is this one and A adjacent side is this one. Adjacent side and opposite sides places will change. Okay, write down. Okay, these are the few examples related to exercise 11.1. This is a direct question of 11.1. Few more questions I'll discuss in next class. Thank you.